Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with some happy mail from Shatavia, which is Cuttlemeclay Tay. Oh my gosh, I do have to say I did take a peek. I couldn't wait. But anyways, I'm going to show you what she sent, and let's just jump right in. Oh my Lanta, I'm so excited. Okay, so let me show you these beautiful bowls. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those little bitty gems in the inside of there, and those flowers, just too cute. Her creativity is on point. Look at there. Love, love, love this. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And then let's get into this card. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love this. Look at those little I forgot what you call those little inserts in the flowers. I forgot, but stamens, something like that. And then look at these little beads there and the little gems. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then it says, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from Tay. Hope you love everything. You already know. You already know. I do. I love everything. Everything. Okay, up next is this cute little elf. Huh, just adorable. She put glitter on the glasses and she inked it up around the outside. Look at that beautiful poinsettia. Just gorgeous. And then accented that with some snowflakes in the background. And I think this is the tag that I may have sent her. She amazes me when she uses those tags, because I don't even know what to do with a tag, but tags are my favorite. All right, and so next up we have, oh my gosh, look at this. Hold up, I didn't open this, but I'm opening it now because I want to see what's in this little pouch here. And of course, I love the flowers. Oh my gosh, I'm at the state of hoarding them. I am going to use them. I'm going to start using them. That's one of my commitments I want to try and do this year, is use some of her flowers instead of hoarding them. But love this here. Oh my gosh, her layering techniques I just absolutely love. And then she has let's get in here, because I didn't open this, so I don't know what's in here. This is beautiful. Oh, and fall is my favorite time of the year. She got leaves, little deer, little birdhouse, another little birdhouse, a little bird. These are hummingbirds, actually. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then I'm just going to set this off to the side so we can get into this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous box. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Stunning. Look at this. Everything is done with perfection. Look at those little gems right there. The little beads. Oh my gosh. And look at this. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And then look at the back side. I'm telling you, perfection. Perfection. Okay, let's get into this. Oh, I'm just so excited. Always, always, always excited when I get something from Tay. Always. Look at this. Beautiful little beads. Those are gorgeous. They're faceted. And then look at these little gems here. Just too cute. Got the snowman, reindeer, little polar bear, and Santa Claus. Too cute. And then those beautiful flowers there. And this is from Recollections. Absolutely stunning package. Once again, Tay, you have knocked it out the park. I love everything. Everything. All right. So if you have the time, make sure you head over to Tay's YouTube channel. I'll have it linked down below. She's also on Instagram. I'll have that linked. And she has a flower shop, and I'll try and link that too, so that you can get some purchases in there. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Thanks so much, Tay. Love you to life.